YouTube, and this is Kiki with another makeup tutorial. And in today's video we're going to do a look with some purple and some teals colors. I'm not sure just yet, but I have a vision and I'm gonna commit to it because I saw that look on Nikki tutorials and I just got inspired. This is the Mikayla collab that she had with Glamlite. I do believe that this is the second palette because the first one, it's the packaging is kind of like white-ish, but yeah, I'm gonna use this palette right here, and as you can see, it's beautiful and it's actually perfect for what I want. I already prep my face. I already did my brows, and actually I did my brows with these instant brow stamp stencil kit from Kiss, and this is in the shade black brown or negro marron. There you go. It's really easy. Actually did prime my eyelids with L'Oreal Infallible concealer, and this is in the shade 385 Amber. I'm gonna make sure that I don't have any creases here, and with this color right here called Authenticity, I think I got it. So let's see, and I'm just gonna dab in. That is a pretty color and it's so pigmented. That's one thing I like from Glamlite palettes. This is actually my first palette that I own from them. Their packaging is like top notch. Like, they always knocked it out of the park with the packaging, to be honest. All right, all I'm doing is depositing all that color right there. And next up, I'm gonna use this color right here called Me Too to buff those harsh edges. I gotta be careful because this palette, it's really pigmented, so I want to be really careful. Yeah, just want to make sure that everything is really blended out, and hopefully my vision, or I should say my inspiration, comes out to life, because I absolutely love Nikki tutorial. So I want to leave it as it is because I want to go back, or you know, like go in with another color, just because I wanted to give it a little bit of more dimension. So please go follow me on Instagram, Amazon storefront, on my TikTok. And right now what I'm doing is just removing whatever is left from the second color that I just dip in. I'm gonna actually take this brush and put it aside because I do want to go back in with a different color, and it's this color right here called Paht Rice, this one right here. And this palette is amazing because you have literally the mirror right here, and it's amazing. I love when the palettes got mirrors. It makes it so easier, like, to me, to be honest. So yeah, that is actually pretty. It's looking good. I'm gonna go back in with the Authenticity color, which is the darkest purple shade in this palette. I don't want to lose that deep purple, so I'm gonna go in, like, try to go as easy as I can. I need that color to be the star, or one of the stars, because I do know that there's another color that I want to put in that is actually pretty cute, and I don't want to miss that color. I'm gonna go in with this kind of brush, which is from Morphe, and I'm just making sure I don't have any harsh lines because we don't need that. Blending is our cardio. I want to go in with this one, with this color right here called Grateful, for my crease. So I'm going to really pack the brush and just like trying to go in like this. And I have hooded eyes, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna create a bigger crease, an effect of a bigger crease. Yeah, that is pretty. You guys see that? I am telling you, this palette, like, they knocked it out of the park with this palette. I'm gonna go back with the authenticity color. I saw this streak on TikTok. Apparently if you add glitter primer or eye glitter primer with pigments or shimmer colors, it'd be looking really, really nice. I don't have no more. I ran out of the NYX eye glitter primer. However, I'm gonna use this glue, which is, you know, like eyelash glue, to try to do that, or attempt to do that. So I'm gonna use the Mink Envy Lashes glue. I won this on a giveaway. So I'm gonna go in with this. I'm gonna apply this on my crease, and then I'm gonna go in with this color here called Poppin'. All right, so I'm gonna go place the glue. I'm gonna go in little by little because this is my first time doing this, to be honest, and I don't know if this is gonna crease on me or, you know, but I'm gonna go with this kind of brush, and I'm gonna go in. These colors are actually like, how can I explain this? Oh wow, this is actually pretty. Wow, are you guys seeing that? That is stunning. Okay, that actually worked. I'm actually surprised that that worked. Like, I didn't had any high hopes with it, to be honest, like, at all. But can you guys appreciate the difference between one and another? So I already finished with my eyes. I am going to do my face off camera, but before, I want to introduce you guys to these lashes. I didn't bought these eyelashes. I actually won these eyelashes through Instagram, and these are the Mink Envy lashes. These are the Luxury Fox Mink Lash Strips, and this is in the style Ariana. I'm not sure if you guys can see their social media, but anyways, I'm gonna link everything below. I'm gonna link everything that I use. I'm gonna put all the details down below so you guys can see it. But I mean, yeah, I'm gonna use these eyelashes because I feel like they're gonna go so well with this eye look. So I'm gonna come back with my whole look. I'm only missing mascara and my lips, but I wanted to come back and basically finish my eye look with you guys. I'm gonna go in with I think I'm gonna go in with this color again, Authenticity, and I'm gonna go in with this Precision Crease brush to just like connect the upper color with my waterline, but I don't want to get it like, I don't want to extend that color right into my inner corner. Same with the other eye. I'm gonna leave it just like it is right now for now. I think I'm gonna mix these two colors here, which is Oh My God and Body, for this area here. I think I'm gonna probably do Body, and I'm gonna mix it up with the authenticity color right here to give a little bit of a sparkle right there. I mean, you guys, I'm pretty sure you guys cannot see it, but I can see it, and it's gorgeous. That's a gorgeous, gorgeous shade. Just like that. I'm gonna go in with that shade called Oh My God, this one right here. That is pretty, I gotta say. All right, so that's looking so pretty, and I gotta say that I actually use this palette to do the highlighter. I went in with Oh My God in the shade Glazed right here. So the Glazed in this color, Oh My God, for the highlight. I want to use this color here called Poppin' for the brow bone. Oh, that's pretty. And now this eye. That's actually really, really pretty. Ooh. And then I'm gonna go in with the shade Poppin' again and Glazed for this and right here. Just the pop of color. I don't know if you can tell the difference, but I just put it like literally like right in the inner corner. All right, so this time I'm gonna go ahead and finish my face, my lips, and I'm gonna come back with the final result. This is the final result. As you can see, I really wanted to keep everything like, you know, same shades, from the eyeshadow, the blush, the lipstick, and again, this was an inspiration from Nikki Tutorials, one of her stunning eye looks, and I hope you guys like it. I'm gonna put down below my social media, my Amazon storefront, and I hope to see you guys in the next video.